This is Toby's easy hobnob recipe. Put 150 grams of self-raising flour into a bowl. Add 150 grams of caster sugar. 120 grams of rolled oats. 1 level teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. Mix it all up. Melt 150 grams of butter in a pan. When it's melted, add 1 dessert spoon of golden syrup and mix well. Add the mixture in the pan to the ingredients we had earlier in the bowl. Mix it all up. Roll the mixture into 25 equal balls and add them onto a tray. Put in the oven for 180 degrees for about 10 minutes. When they've cooled down, you can enjoy your lovely hobnob biscuit.